Omukwe gitare NRM bagambire birunje birumu n'ekibihiro mu bina ebibatwiremo kujagitaho.
This problem NRM caused it themselves because you ended up beating people and that was a huge damage. We need to work together to diffuse that, to repair the damage.
We are ready and joining NRM this afternoon.
Thank you.
NRM, oye? Oye. That's good. So we are really delighted to be here.
So for today, I must say NRM is a strong party and I'm ready to work for NRM.
Today I join NRM.
Thank you.
You are welcome.
Omukoro ogwo gwicirwaho umuhezu wa mukuru w'impanuro z'ishengero ry'ihanga Thomas Tayobwa, umuhezu w'umuhandiki w'ekibina cya NRM mu ihanga Rose Namayanja niwe yakira abantu aba okwegitara NRM kandi abasimira okundi ihanga ryabo.
Nga babadde bakutebendera ez'ebibiina ebyo mu bitundu gye bava mu districts ez'enjawulo, abantu abo nga basoba mu bantu 18 olwaleero basazeewo okujja okwegatta ku National Resistance Movement nga batunuulidde enteekateeka ze babadde nazo n'enteekateeka NRM zerina ne balaba nti NRM esobola okuzitwala mu maaso.
These are colleagues we have engaged over time. It's been a process and you know, I don't even love the word crossing or what. It's the repositioning your strategies and looking at where the country is going. And like I said earlier, some time back, there has been this rumor that we buy these people. I mean, how much would you buy a PhD holder?
Umugandi Robert Rwakandare nagirango entebe ikanisa zo kwakira President Museveni omura Kampala nezigendo misho ogunagirango ibina masuko nkuyanje y'abantu nibija kumwakira obwaro kuronda karuruko bwa president
omura Kampala ibano batakatika ngumanya ngo NRM tesingo ni mu kitegegereza percentage iri ahigura munonga akabo abanya-Uganda betegere bamanyire amazima bamanya babenu babuzavuza hati babetegereze hata abantu bona nabagira President Yoweri Kaguta Museveni no candidate oyine manifesto eshikiri no kureba hibatanda batakarebire wakaba yaribi
gasha kwa Jimmy Muhumuza.